Okay, so really simply put, let's just quickly read the exam question. You basically have to create the guitar, then you just got to make sure that it applies to all of these different principles, all these points, bullet points at the bottom. The first thing we're going to do is I'm just going to change the size of the screen. I'm going to go through this as quickly as I possibly can. I've no idea why that's off the screen. Make sure that it's pixels, because I think that's what it says. Yeah, 200 by 200. So I'm just going to change 200 by 200. Yeah, boy. Done. Now I can zoom in. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create the outline. So I'm going to get a circle that's preferably not see-through. There we go. And then I'm going to have like the other bit of the guitar. It's kind of like a snowman. It's maybe a bit too big now. Yeah, I'll get there. Jeez. Why are you ruining my life? Right. So let's make it nice and... Damn it. There we go. Okay. So that's going to be my basic guitar. Okay. I'm now going to line them up. So over here I'm going to go to align and distribute. If you don't have this menu here, you can see you just press Shift, Control and A and it will come up. I put them all in the middle. Look at that. Beautiful. Now I'm just going to spin them, and to do that I'm going to group them, click on it once and spin. Wow. Yeah, it's a pretty screwed up guitar. You can also resize it, and because it's vector, it won't distort or anything. So look at that. I think that is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. Now I need to ungroup them. So I'm just going to go Object, Ungroup. Then I'm going to draw a circle. Okay. In fact, what I'm going to do first of all is I'm going to combine them, and then I'm going to do the outline. So, wrong one. It says, be a guitar shape. I would argue that mine is a guitar shape. Be black in colour with a 3-point red outline. So I'm going to do this bit now. Now if I do these all separately, we'll have lines going the whole way round. So if I show you what it looks like to do it wrong, you'll see we've got overlapping lines. That's obviously not what we want. So what I have to do is I have to go to Path and then Union. Now I've got one object and I can put a red outline all the way around it. I then want to change this to 3-point, I think they said. Be black in colour with a 3-point red outline. It's around the whole thing. I haven't done the hole yet, so let's bullet point a hole. I'm just going to give that no stroke, and then the fill I'm going to make transparent. Then I move it. Then I try and move it. That'll do around there. Make it see-through again. Then I'm going to hold down the Shift button and click on the back of the guitar. I then go to Path, Difference. Yeah. Now, I've done this one for a couple of years, and if you guys can find a way of making sure there's no red ring around this hole, then please show me, because I've not worked it out just yet, honestly. So now I'm just going to draw the strings. That can go to about there. You click once. That's currently black. I'm going to change it to white. Beautiful. I'm going to copy and paste a few times. You'll see at the moment it's snapping and I can't put it in the middle. You need to click this one off up here. I can then put it in the middle very easily. This button up here, it's called Snap to Node. You just want to make sure it's not on. Look at that. Guys, beautiful, right? Thanks everyone. Okay, now I just need to do the text. So I've got to do this part here. Actually, I tell you what, guys, I've just realised it says have a white sound hole, not transparent. So I'm just gonna. Well, I can just put it on top. Okay. Attention to detail, right? So I can make it just white. Oh my god.
I'm already doing this for 8 minutes.
There we go. I didn't realise that it didn't have to be transparent. Okay, and then we're going to go Rock ICT. It doesn't specify the font or anything like that. Now I just get another circle and I can draw it. I then change that circle to path. Then I click on the text and I go text, put on path. Yeah. At the moment it looks really weird. You do need to play around with it a bit to get it. Ah! Ah! Thanks, Luce. Right. What? I want it to not do that. Ah, give me the... I can't get to it now. Yeah, but I... No, that is what I want. Lovely, there you go, that's a completed guitar. Hang on. How's that 4 minutes going?
10 minutes over.
Alright, Jesus.
9 minutes over. No, you tell me.
Okay, get rid of that. Yeah, I will. Ta-da! Oh. Ta-da! How did I do it? I drew a line in the end. I went like that. Then I change it to object to path, and then I get the text. Yeah, cheers guys. And then I go text, put on path, and there you go. But it does get really glitchy and a bit weird, so. And that's that. You're done. Bye.